You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. How do you say George in Spanish? Yes, that's what it means. So how do you pronounce it? Jorge is how it is said in Spanish. I know it's quite a mouthful if you don't speak Spanish. Jorge. Jorge. Emphasis on the first syllable. Jorge. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.